Hi everybody, welcome to LissyBujo, and this is my 2023 and January 2023 spread. So let's get started. I went with a dazzling Doodle Stars layout and very simple for just my 2023 introduction cover page and for my year in review. I'm really happy with this. I love the gold gel pen that I use and the ShopAmandaRachLee star washi tape that's like all glittery and stuff. It's so adorable. I also made a reading log. This was the biggest change that I made because I did it month by month separately, but I'm keeping it all in one year this time. And for January, we've got that color palette going right there if you want a reference, and we are doing a chess theme for January. I really love the color palette that I chose for this. It's just very fun and quirky. Here's how I did my calendar layout. I also took a little bit of inspiration from The Queen's Gambit. It's a really great show if you haven't seen it. Really love that quote from the character of Beth Harmon. I tried to draw her, it didn't work out too well. And we got my habits. It might be too many habits, but I love the mood board because it's going to look like a chessboard after I fill in all the colors. Also, if you want to know, I got the stickers throughout the spread from Daiso. It's like a Japanese dollar store. If you've never been to one before, I highly recommend it. Now we're going to go through the different weekly spreads. I did something a little bit different for every week just to give you all a variety of things that you could do. Still following with kind of that chessboard theme, alternating the colors. The washi tape that I use is also from ShopAmandaRachLee. And speaking of which, the notebook that I'm using is also from ShopAmandaRachLee. It's the Swirl Sage notebook. And I will link that down below in the washi tapes that I bought. I always leave a little space for notes if you can't tell, just because I feel like I'm always forgetting something, so I have to write everything down. And then we're wrapping up with that last week in January and a reflection page for things that I watched, memories, and video games that I played, because y'all know I love video games. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you like this. I'll come back with a full-on video for February. Bye.